This is a video about installation of the Hapstone R2 twin light clamps on the workshop Precision Adjust. First step I'm going to take is remove the stone holder and remove the clamp itself from the workshop Precision Adjust. Put that to the side. Next, what we have to do is remove the clamp from the clamp holder, the magnetic clamp holder of the Precision Adjust. So I'll loosen the clamp nut in the back. When the clamp is new, you'll feel that once it's completely open and you've removed the nut, you may need to pry it apart just slightly. There's a very thin layer of epoxy or paint holding the clamp to the plastic holder. It doesn't damage anything by doing that. If you reassemble it, these protrusions will go into the holes and hold everything into position, so it's not a problem. I'll remove the threaded bar from the clamp, put the clamp to the side, also remove the metal spacer from the threaded bar itself. Next step is to take the R2 twin clamp, Hapstone R2 twin clamp, and slot the threaded bar into the center hole of the R2 twin light clamps. All the way through. Hold that in position with my finger. You'll see that the two hex screw holes over there line up nicely with these protrusions and holds it in position so it doesn't rotate. So what I'll do now, slide it into the front hole of the magnetic holder of the Precision Adjust. Be sure to use your little plastic washer. Install that, and then the nut itself, the tightening nut, into position. Thread it in. And screw it all the way in. Tighten it up, and now you have the Hapstone R2 twin clamps installed on the workshop Precision Adjust sharpening system. Simply slide it back into the magnetic holder, put your knife in position, and it's ready to sharpen. These clamps are really good at distal taper or various taper type knives, and they work very well with a very wide variety of knives clamped in the R2 or clamped in the workshop Precision Adjust. It's a significant upgrade to the original clamp. The only thing you have to note is the angle gradings on the workshop Precision Adjust will be wrong because the clamp is further out, obviously, than the original clamp by about a little bit less than double the length. So you'll have to basically either use the Sharpie method by drawing a Sharpie line on your edge and seeing what angle you want to adjust, or use a digital angle cube.